Welcome to the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast with your host, Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Our podcast goal is to bring a little inspiration to the world each and every morning and to help others reach their potential. Each day, we bring you a short inspirational message to kick off your morning along with some words of encouragement that are needed to win the day. We discuss those words of encouragement and spread some insight into developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. I'm Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and I have 30 plus years of experience helping others to succeed in self-improvement, health and wellness programs, along with mental performance. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at a high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to teach others how to be successful in life. My passion is helping others reach their potential by moving forward towards success. Our company, Inspirational University, is here to help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. So let's get this podcast started so we can help you reach your potential. Well, good morning out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, your host, and I thank you for downloading this episode. It's episode number 946 in year 3 of the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast, where each day we bring you words of encouragement so you can win the day. Today's words of encouragement: for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Love this, folks. Love to elaborate on this one. You know I'm big on this time management stuff and getting the most out of each and every day. We'll further discuss these words of encouragement here in a few minutes, but first of all, if you would ever like to have something discussed on our show, maybe you got a favorite quote you'd like us to feature on the podcast, maybe you got a topic idea that you want us to elaborate on, maybe you got a business opportunity, whatever it is, you can always reach out to me by email at coachp@inspiringthem.com. That's coachp@inspiringthem.com. Remember, you can further today's discussion, post your questions, comments, and feedback over on our community forum board. There is a link here in the show notes below. Or we also have, we're on groups over on LinkedIn and Facebook. You just look us up under groups. It's called the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration. That's our podcast. It's actually called the Move Forward Nation. That's what we call our groups over there. So go ahead and look us up and post your comments there on Facebook and LinkedIn. As always, we would like to send you out our free booklet. It's called The 5 P's to Success: Passion, Perception, Perspective, Progressing, and Perseverance. We show you how to use each one of those P's to develop that mental toughness, that ability to move forward under pressure. You can get that booklet free of charge by hitting that link in the show notes below. Or there's a link on our website. And again, that is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. You know that we 100% believe here that you need to master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset if you want to live that motivated, fulfilled, and amazing life that you're looking for. Well, we're going to take a short break now because we want you to hear a message on how you can master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We'll be back in a few moments. What are you looking to achieve? Whatever it is, you need to follow the 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. Number 2, goal setting. And number 3, mindset. Here at Inspirational University, we have created 3 courses to help you master each area of the 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. The course is called Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This course takes you on a journey in locating your interest and determine what is your passion and how to make it your career so you never work a day in your life. Number 2 is goal setting, Your Life Blueprint. This is a step-by-step course teaching you on how to establish lifelong goals and how to achieve them so you can move from being a dreamer to a successful goal setter. And number 3, mindset. Developing your mental performance. Do you struggle with self-doubt and confidence? This course will help you gain control over your mind and thoughts so you can develop the mental toughness to achieve. Mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure. These 3 courses are packed full with how-to videos, lessons, and reference sheets, everything you need to master the 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. Number 2, goal setting. And number 3, mindset. For additional information on each of these courses, hit the link in the show notes below or visit our website at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. The 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. Number 2, goal setting. And number 3, mindset. Get your master course today at inspiringthem.com. That's inspiringthem.com. Hello, Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, and we are back at Inspirational University, where we help others reach their potential by preparing them to find their dream job, to establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. Today's words of encouragement: for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Yes, folks, you know I believe in this one 100%. You know I always tell you that part of our reflection time at night is to go ahead and sit down and schedule tomorrow's day. And when I mean schedule, I mean every minute of the day. Put it down, write it down, establish it, and guess what you're going to get? First of all, you're going to go to sleep, and you're going to sleep because you have nothing to think about. You have no stress. Tomorrow is already scheduled. Tomorrow is already decided. The great part is you made the decision about how you're going to spend tomorrow. You are now living life instead of life living you. It's a fantastic, fantastic feeling, I tell you, folks. You need to schedule your time because for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. You know, you ever hear the people who always tell you, I don't have enough time to do that. I don't know where I'm going to find the time to do that. Well, folks, schedule your time, and you'll free up hours and hours during the day, hours and hours each and every week, just by freeing up your time because you scheduled every moment of it. I mean, people think I'm crazy, but I actually schedule the time I go to the bathroom each day. I mean, you have to schedule time, and I leave time for problems because, yes, other people say, well, what happens when my day gets disrupted? Well, that's a problem. And problems happen. In fact, life is nothing more than a series of problems. The great ones are able to solve the problems. Them are the achievers. Them are the goal setters. And that's the other thing. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. You can do the same with goal setting. When you sit down and you write down a blueprint for your life, a step-by-step process on how you want to achieve and what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it. That's your blueprint. That's your organization. That's what gets you moving forward when tragedy and setbacks happen and mistakes. Because for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Now, wouldn't you like to have a couple extra hours? A day? A week? A month? Wouldn't it be great if you didn't have to say anymore, where am I going to find the time? Folks, sit down and organize. Because for every minute you spent organizing, you're going to gain an hour. That's where your time will come from. You'll be amazed at how much you get done when you write things down and you schedule them and you start crossing them off that list, and the mind just accepts it, and the mind explodes with motivation and positive thought because you're accomplishing something. You're moving closer to your dreams. You're moving closer to every achievement that you want in this world. You're moving closer to mastering the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Do you organize your time? Do you write it down? Do you put a date on it? Do you put a time on it? How do you organize your time? I would love to hear the feedback on how you organize your time. For us, I organize my tasks the hardest to the easiest. And I start with the hardest, because if I can get them knocked out, then the easy ones, they just seem to flow so easy. Plus, if for some reason I don't finish all them tasks, all I got left is the easy ones. I've done the hard ones. Do the hard stuff each and every day. You'd be amazed at how much more you get done. I say it all the time. I get more done than most people by 9 o'clock in the morning because I have a plan. I'm organized. A step-by-step process. I know exactly what I'm doing. And when problems arise, guess what? I've got time in my schedule to solve problems. And then you say, Coach, well, what happens if you don't? You don't have a problem that day, which is very rare, but it does happen. Well, guess what? I got an extra hour. See? I got an extra hour because I was organized. Now, what do you do with the hour? To me, self-education, self-improvement. Learn as much as you can. Learning never stops in this world. Learning never stops for you. Learn as much as you can. Whatever you're passionate about, study it, inside and out. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Let's get out there and organize today and earn our hours. Have a great day now. If you want to further today's discussion, you can go over to our community forum boards on LinkedIn and Facebook. Look us up under groups, the Move Forward Nation, or you can just go to our community forum board over on our website by hitting that link in the show notes below. You can leave us your comments, your feedback, any concerns you may have, or anything you think that may help us out here. If you're an iTunes subscriber, we're asking you to please leave us a ranking, a 1-star to a 5-star. You go to iTunes, takes about 30 seconds, but it really does help this podcast. It really does help it because iTunes then pushes it out to the world for us. And with your help, we can bring a little inspiration to this world each morning. If you're a business owner out there, we ask you to sponsor the podcast. Yeah, for less than $3.50 an episode, you can sponsor this podcast, and we will take time out during the podcast to talk about your company, your product, and your service. To this great group of listeners, this Move Forward Nation, being heard in over 100 countries and 100% of the United States, each and every day. So go ahead and sponsor the podcast today. There's a link in the show notes below, or you can find the information on our website, which is, again, inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their potential by moving forward towards success. So how can I help you reach your potential? What is it that you're struggling with? Reach out to me today so we can supply you words of encouragement to help you move forward so you can win the day. Have a great one now, and we'll talk again tomorrow. Are you struggling with your fitness workouts? Let our professional trainers here at Showtime Performance Training get you on track. We analyze your fitness level, equipment if any, and other data to build your own personalized workout plan, which is optimized for your sport and fitness goals. It's simple. You can work out at home, at your gym, or one of our locations by downloading our fitness workout app for your phone. Each day, your personalized workout, along with exercises and a video description of each, are loaded into the app, so you never have to worry again about your workout plan and schedule. Download the fitness workout app at ShowtimeSAQ.com. That's ShowtimeSAQ.com. Be sure to view our other performance training services: Speed, Agility, and Quickness, SAQ, Mental Performance, Weight Loss, and Nutritional Meal Planning. Get all the information at ShowtimeSAQ.com. That's ShowtimeSAQ.com. Inspirational University is excited to announce its goal-setting course. Yes, goal setting, your life blueprint. It's available now for your purchase. This is a fantastic program to show you how to become successful in this world. Yes, this course takes you from being a dreamer and becoming a goal setter. Because dreamers dream, but goal setters achieve. This course is a step-by-step process on how to write down your goals, break them into action steps, and then into tasks that are scheduled daily to achieve success or whatever it is that you want in this world. Yes, it's a step-by-step process. The bonus of the training is that we also give you some mental performance training in there. So when things get tough, when you get knocked off course, you can get through that. You have the mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure. Remember, folks, your thoughts control your feelings, and your feelings control your actions. That's the power of goal setting. It creates positive thoughts and, in turn, positive feelings, which lead to positive actions. All components of success. Go on over to our website, inspiringthem.com, to get your copy of this fantastic course today, or there is a link in the show notes below. Goal setting, your life blueprint.